Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This video on TCP IP technology. Today we will explore the core communication protocol suite that powers the internet and most networks today. Introduction to TCP IP. TCP IP is a set of rules that allows computers to communicate over vast networks. It was designed to be reliable and flexible, which is why it's still in use today. Decades after its creation. TCP/IP stands for Transmission Control Protocol or Internet Protocol. IP for Internet Protocol. It's the fundamental suite of communication protocols used on the Internet. Developed in the 1970s by DARPA, supports scalable, robust and interoperable network. TCP/IP model. The TCP/IP model is composed of 4 layers, each with specific responsibilities. It abstracts the complexity of network communication into manageable layers. It has 4 layers: application, transport, internet, network access. Each layer performs a specific network function similar to OSI model but simpler. The first layer is network access layer. The layer manages the interaction with physical hardware like routers and cables. It converts digital data into signals for physical transmission. Deals with hardware addressing like MAC. Responsible for physical transmission including Ethernet, Wi-Fi, etc. Layer 2 is the internet layer. The internet layer is responsible for logical addressing and routing, allowing data to move from one network to another through IP address. Routers data packets across networks. Routes data packets across the network. Uses IP addressing IPv4 and IPv6. Core protocol, internet protocol, IP. The third one is the transport layer. The layer is provide end-to-end communication. TCP is used for reliability, for example web browsing, while UDP used for speed, for example for video streaming. Ensure reliable data transfer. Protocol TCP reliable, UDP fast but less reliable. Port number are used for application addressing. The fourth layer, which is application layer. At the top of the stack, the application layer allows user facing programs to access network services, providing familiar functionalities like browsing and emailing. Interfaces directly with software applications. Protocols HTTP, FTP, DNS, SMTP, Telnet, SSH and many others. enables services like web browsing, email, and file transfer. Key TCP/IP protocols. Keys of TCP/IP protocol. Each protocol in the TCP/IP suite has a specific role. Together they enable seamless data transfer, access across devices and applications. TCP reliable, order delivery, it's used for order delivery kind of thing. IP addressing and routing. HTTPS protocol for web communication. DNS for resolved domain names. DHCP is IP addressing assignment. TCP/IP in action. The model works by encapsulation and decapsulation data through layers. For example, when visiting a website, HTTP user uses TCP, which use IP and so on. Data passes down through layers on sender side, traverse the internet, move up through layers on receiver side. Example, accessing a website. Real world application. From watching video to sending emails, nearly every online activity is powered by TCP/IP protocols behind the scene. Internet browsing, we are using HTTP or HTTPS protocol in the browser or in the URL. Video call, UDP is providing fast and fast communication, so the user can see at a time in the video. Email, SMTP or IMAP, these are the protocol. Simple mail transfer protocol. File transfer protocol. File transfer protocol, streaming RTP over UDP. Advantage of TCP/IP model. TCP/IP became dominant because it's flexible, reliable, and open, making it ideal for everything from small networks to the global internet. Open standard, universally supported, scalable and robust, interoperable across platforms, built-in fault tolerance, etc. To summarize, TCP/IP is a fundamental technology enabling modern digital communication. Understanding it is initial for any network professionals. TCP/IP is the fundamental of internet communication. 4 layers handle different functions. Key protocols enable reliable data exchange, widely used across all type of network. Thank you.